NFPA 72, the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code, addresses the requirements for shielded fire cable. Specifically, Section 12.3 1.3 states that low-voltage conductors shall be shielded. However, there are exceptions outlined in Section 12.3 1.4. Shielding is not required if the conductors are protected from electromagnetic interference, or EMI, by other means. These other means include firstly, wiring in a metallic raceway or other electrically conductive enclosure, secondly, the use of individual shielded conductors or cables, or thirdly, installing the fire alarm system wiring in a separate raceway or space from other electrical circuits. In the situation where wires are installed above a drop ceiling, they are not inherently protected by a metallic raceway. Therefore, shielded fire cable is required unless it can be definitively demonstrated that the wires are protected from EMI by other approved methods. To avoid potential issues or delays during inspection, it is generally recommended to use shielded fire cable when installing low-voltage interconnected smoke alarms above drop ceilings. This ensures compliance with the NFPA 72 and minimizes the risk of electromagnetic interference affecting the fire alarm system's performance. Using shielded cable provides a reliable and code-compliant solution for fire alarm installations. Remember to consult the specific requirements of NFPA 72 and any local amendments to ensure full compliance. Properly installed and shielded fire alarm wiring is crucial for the safety and reliability of the entire system. When deciding whether or not to use shielded cable, consider the potential sources of EMI in the area, such as lighting fixtures, electronic equipment, and other electrical wiring. If there is a significant risk of EMI, using shielded cable is the most prudent approach. Moreover, documentation demonstrating alternative methods of EMI protection may be required by the authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, during inspection. Using shielded cable eliminates the need for such documentation and simplifies the inspection process. In summary, while exceptions to the shielding requirement exist, the simplest and most reliable method for ensuring compliance with NFPA 72 for low-voltage fire alarm wiring above drop ceilings is to use shielded fire cable. Always prioritize safety and adherence to the applicable codes and standards.